We got the crew rolling in here at 5 Star. We're heading out on a TeamWax Offroad group ride.
I wonder if they got a hair job.
On the road to West Virginia, Hatfield McCoy Trail. Starting to get into the mountains of Kentucky, eastern Kentucky. And in operation. Starting to get dark on us. Here we are crossing the Tug River into West Virginia.
Welcome to West Virginia.
If you all are ever watched the Hatfield and McCoy movies, the Tug River's in that a whole lot. There's the West Virginia sign if you can see it. Here we are at the Devil's Backbone Resort. We've made it in. Everybody's trying to get parked. I'll give you a little tour of our 8-man cabin here shortly. We're gonna see if we can't all get in. Here we are on the front porch of our little cabin. Pretty nice. Ours overlooks the woods. Some of them's got better views than we got, but it looks like it's gonna be great. We'll go inside here. Nice, spacious living room, kitchen area. Everything you need: microwave, stove, dishwasher, fridge. Neat, clean. Here's the bedroom with the bunk. 2 bath too, I do like that. Nice showers. Oh yeah. Real nice for a stay for a weekend ride. Like I said, these sleep 8 people, the ones we got. They have some smaller ones. Here's the second bedroom. Laid out just like the first one. Shower, restroom, same deal. Heat and air unit in each bedroom. I like that because everybody's different on sleeping temperature. I like it kind of cool myself. Nice places. Tomorrow morning I'll give you guys a quick walk around outside of the campground. They do have camping spots, cabins. Again, this is Devil's Backbone Resort. If you ever come on planning to ride Devil Ants trails, Buffalo Mountain, Rock House trails, check them out. They're right in the middle of the Devil Ants trail, so you can head either direction. Some of the TeamWax crew. We're here for 3 days riding.
Love is unconditional, knew it from the start. See it in your eyes, you can feel it from my heart. From here on after, stay the way we are right now, and share all the love and laughter that a lifetime will allow. I cross my heart and promise to give all I've got to give to make all your dreams come true. In all the world, you'll never find.
All right, here we are Thursday morning. We're at Devil's Backbone Resort in Matewan or Matewan, West Virginia, however you want to pronounce it. Real nice place. It's a newer place. Everything's new. You got several cabins, big ones, small ones, building a lot more. Got a pool here. Of course, we're not going to use it this time of year. As you can see down there, we got a little construction going on. Got several nice cabins down through here. Enough parking in between them for 2 trucks and trailers. We got some of the crew over here unloading and getting ready. We're gonna head out as soon as everybody's got their permits after a while. Pretty nice place. They're doing a lot of work here. They got campground down on the lower level there, if you could see it. Set up for campers all along down the bottom down there. Jordan, y'all ready to roll? That's right. Again, this is the upper level of Devil's Backbone ATV Resort. This is their pool. And I don't know what all they're putting in here. Maybe a pool house, I don't know what all. A lot of new construction here. Building several new cabins, and all these cabins are new. This is a real nice place. If anybody ever wants to come to this section of Hatfield McCoy trails, you know, you're sitting in the middle of the Devil Ants Trail right here, so you can run either direction. You can go the direction we went yesterday and head to Rock House Trail System, or you can go the direction we're going to go today and head to, I think it's Bluff Mountain. I'd have to double check on that. But anyway, there's 8 trail systems down here, and these 3 are connected together, so it's pretty handy. This is the upper cabin level. There's another level of cabins down below. There's a few camper spots up here, and then there's some more camper spots down below. More cabins down here. As you can see, they go around the front side. Real nice place. Hear a little work going on down there below. Looks like they're moving a little coal down there. You can also rent that heliport. It holds like 25 or 30 people. If you got a large group, it'll be all right. Here's the 3 trailheads we're riding this weekend. Buffalo Mountain, Devil Ants, and Rock House. I probably said Bluff Mountain earlier. Sorry about that. Here we are at the office at the Devil's Backbone Resort. Like I said, this is a new place. They're constantly improving. They've got quite a bit to offer here already. Hello, how's it going? Doing all right. I thought I'd come in here and get a little shot of the office and some of the stuff you guys have here. Looks like a really nice place so far. I see you're still doing improvements. Looks like the pool and some other stuff going on.
Yes, sir. They're hoping that, well, the pool's ready. They're hoping to have everything else up by spring. There's going to be an office, a store, I think it's a 6-person bathroom, and then a bar and grill next to it.
Good deal. I know it's nice right now. Some of the nicest cabins I've ever stayed in.
Thank you.
If you get cabins, all the linens, towels, wash rags, everything's furnished. That's Devil's Backbone Resort and RV Park. It's on the Devil Anse Trail System. Can you see everybody down there coming?